What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Right, peeps, so you know that this channel is the original channel to bring you Mayweather skipping tutorials, right? And today's video is going to showcase his kind of iconic side swing hop step, okay? Now, this is a tutorial I've never shown before, so it's very fresh to the channel and it shouldn't take you too long. This is what this move looks like. Now, it is absolutely slick as anything, and it's so quick and effortless looking that you're probably not even realizing what the hell I'm doing or maybe what's going on. But this is what this move actually is. All I'm literally doing, right, and this is something I took straight off the Mayweather kind of catalog of moves back in the days, is when he used to do his side swings, he used to skip off his dominant side. Now, whether it be right or left for you guys at home, all you need to really know is that whatever side you're opening the rope from, okay, you're gonna have your foot on the ground there, and that's gonna be the only foot on the ground. That's all you need to remember is, for example, if you're opening your rope from your left-hand side, so if you go right, left, and then you go to open your rope out, you're gonna lift up your right leg, and it's a gentle hop with your left, all right? So whatever side you open the rope from, you're gonna have the leg down on that side. It's a gentle hop, and you're gonna lift the knee up of the other leg. It's very aesthetically, it just looks sick, right? I don't know what I was trying to say there, but it just looks just fire. And when I'm doing this, I'm doing it even without even realizing I am. And that's why I wanted to make this tutorial today, because it's these little fine-tuned kind of adjustments, these little things that I do, which I feel gives that overall look to being kind of like a pro skipper, like really maximizing your combinations and your transitions and getting the most out of your rope, okay? See one too many kind of beginners in my time where they struggle with this side swing move and they get their feet mixed up, and you can tell a kind of beginner from the intermediates or advanced because their side swings just don't look crisp. So you need to make sure you've checked out my side swing tutorials, and this is all you're going to literally do. Practice hopping off that one leg, raising the knee off the other leg, slapping yourself up in the process. But one other thing quickly to make it look even sharper, right, is you need to make sure that you take off right at the last second, right? So here, boom. It needs to be so quick. The timing needs to be so precise and perfect. That's what's going to give it that look, that Mayweather look, and it's going to get you flying boss and people staring at you wherever you skip, all that kind of stuff. That is the end of that tutorial. Super quick and easy, I promised you. As always, do give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. A lot more Mayweather tutorials out there, to be honest with you. Like, I haven't even put out half of the stuff I got on my list. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, if you really want that pro boxer skipping look. Otherwise, peeps, thank you so much for supporting as you always do. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.